Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mac Mini. First, it's crucial to back up all your important files and documents. You can use an external hard drive or a cloud service like iCloud. Next, sign out of your Apple ID and any other accounts to protect your personal information. Finally, disconnect all external devices, leaving only your display, keyboard, and mouse connected, and ensure your Mac Mini has a stable power connection. To begin the erasing process, restart your Mac Mini and immediately press and hold the Command and R keys until you see the Apple logo. This will boot your Mac into Mac OS recovery. From the Utilities window, open Disk Utility. Select your main startup disk, typically named Macintosh HD, and then click the Erase button. Choose Apps as the format and GUID partition map as the scheme. Once your disk is erased, close Disk Utility and return to the main Utilities window. Here, select Reinstall Mac OS and click Continue. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to choose your newly erased startup disk as the destination for the new operating system. The installation process can take anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours, depending on your internet speed and Mac Mini model, so be patient. After the Mac OS installation is complete, your Mac Mini will restart and present you with the Setup Assistant, just like a brand new device. You can then follow the prompts to create a new user account and customize your settings. If you backed up your data, this is the point where you can choose to restore it. Your Mac Mini is now completely reset and ready for a fresh start.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.